What's going on, y'all? I took a little month and a half break off social media, man, and that was much needed. And that's the thing I love about trucking, that you don't need social media to make money. There's so many different ways to make money in trucking. And when I say trucking, I'm talking about trucking, not just box trucks. You know, I do it all, everything from sprinter vans, as little as a sprinter van, all the way up to heavy hauling. We do it all over here. And to all my people that ship and receive freight every day, if you want to work with the direct source, tap in with me. If you can't get a hold of me, because I get a lot of DMs, just book a call and then I'll refund you the money. We ship and receive all across the country though. Been really working, man. We got a lot of plans on the way we ain't been talking about. Anything you need moved, as small as a tooth, as big as a house, we can ship it. If you have 100 loads a day, we can handle all capacity. We working, tap in. It's bigger than box trucks now. And you already know, if you're trying to start your non-CDL trucking business, gross $5K a week per truck, tap in with me. You could profit half of that as an owner-operator. If you have a driver, you'll make a little less. You're going to have weeks where you do 8, 9, 10,000, and you're going to have weeks where you don't make your 5,000 because you might have had to take a few days off. The truck might have been in the shop. You might have got stuck at a shipper for 2, 3 days and had to settle with the layover because you didn't want to mess up the relationship, and the list goes on. Things happen, but you can gross at least 200,000 a year and net half of that in a box truck. No CDL, no experience. I teach you all. And no, it isn't easy as I make it look. And no, you ain't gonna get rich overnight, but trucking can change your life. And yes, that's one truck, and there's so many different ways to make money in trucking. It's bigger than just one truck. Like I said, we teach trucking over here, not just one truck and a load board. We teach real trucking over here, man. As far as the insurance brokerage, we don't recommend B&A no more. We were partnered up with a few people. I didn't like the way they were operating. We got a new insurance brokerage on the way. Stay tuned, and we gonna get you right, because I see too many insurance brokers effing over the carriers, and the insurance brokers have the carriers by the balls, and that's what I'm here for. Y'all not about to have to go through that no more. That's for another video. But no, we don't recommend B&A no more, and we don't have no ties to Advanced Group. We do not work with none of them, and we will have a solution for y'all. It's just something that I have to build on my own from the muscle, because when you do business with certain people, you got to understand that not everybody cares about their name and their reputation, and not everybody has the same morals that you have, so some things take a little bit longer. We will be hiring for an insurance agent real soon. Must be licensed. If you're not licensed in all states, don't worry about it. We can make that happen. And last but never the least, if you don't have the money to start your business, tap in with me. We can rebuild your credit, and then we can get you funded, and you can leverage that funding to start your business. Yes, you're going to owe the money back. The whole point is to use OPM to change your life. I always tell y'all, go to the beginning of Box Truck and go to the beginning of my YouTube page. I started with no money, out of pocket. I built my credit and I leveraged OPM, and I used OPM to change my life. I'm not like these other people out here that sell things they've never done before. Every service that I offer to you is work that I actually put in and things that I've actually done myself. So for some of y'all that are new here and are wondering why I'm so passionate about credit and funding, is because it's people like myself that started with no money, and I want to help those people too. Can't forget where I came from. But look, tap on me. You need your credit right, DM me the word credit. You ready to get funding, you got good credit, DM me the word funding. If you're ready to start your trucking company, comment the word ready or how. We have lease on for the mentees, and we have mentorship back open. Just DM me the word ready or book a call. Hit the link in the bio, boxtruckant.com. Let's get to it. If you ever see me not on social media, still tap in with me. We working in real life every single day. All right, y'all. God bless.